Good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
I can.
Mr. Deku still alive?
Sir?
Mr. Deku, Miss Bishop's husband, still alive?
No, he died last January before she died. Let me check with my client. I don't see he's on there yet.
I see him on here, but I don't know if he started his audio or his, I know he hasn't
have a video?
started his video.
I've already asked him to start the video, so.
Let me call him.
It's echoing.
Yeah, let me put YouTube on.
Even though- Yeah.
You on? I can't see you.
I know, I hit it start video.
Okay.
It says enable camera access. Browser address bar.
He needs to enable his video on the bottom left-hand side of his screen, assuming he's on a device that has video capabilities.
Yeah, it is. I'm clicking on it. Nothing is happening.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
Melvin, how long have you been in Marble Falls?
We retired in 2018, and we've been building the house, started about 2015, and it took quite some time because we're in a very remote area in Travis County, up in the extreme northwestern corner, almost in Burnett County. So once I retired, we sold the house in Houston and moved up here. So
So, so you are in Travis County.
yes, sir. Yeah, we're Marble Falls is our mailing address, but we're kind of halfway in between Cedar Park and Marble Falls. So kind of in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, there's a beautiful nursery out there in the middle of nowhere, just on the Travis County side of Marble Falls. I can't recall the name of it right now.
There it is.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Is it off
Lane.
1431?
I think so.
Okay. I know there's one in Burnett County called Backbone, which is pretty
Yeah,
big.
that's it.
Is it? Yeah, it's
It's
pretty
Burnett County.
nice nursery. Yeah, it's pretty big. They got a lot of exotic stuff. Oh, there he is.
There it is.
All right, I'm gonna hang up on you, Glenn.
Okay,
All
Mr.
right.
Bishop, could I get you to raise your right hand, please, sir?
Okay.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth so help you God. I think you're muted. Would you make sure that your audio is on, and if so, make sure that the volume is turned on your device? Smart man, get a younger person to help you with the device.
His IT guy.
No audio yet. Okay.
Now there's.
Well,
Well, now we lost him.
I wonder if he's in an area with bad, I wonder if he has a poor Wi-Fi signal.
Ah, I don't know. He lives, close to Katy, off the Katy freeway, so you'd think they'd have pretty decent internet there.
You'd think so.
Yeah.
Well, fortunately, I'm normally rushing everywhere. I'm not in a huge hurry this morning.
Thank goodness.
You there? You there?
We can hear you.
You see me?
Can see you too.
Woo, there you go.
Okay.
Life is good.
All right, Mr. Bishop, if you will raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Bishop, I'm going to show you what purports to be the last will and testament of Marie Miller, also known as Mary Bishop. Do you recognize this as being her last will and testament?
Yes, sir, I do.
I'm going to go back to the signature page and ask you if you recognize that as being her signature on that document.
Yes, that is her signature.
After the date she made this will on August 3rd of 2018, to your knowledge, did she ever change it or revoke it?
No.
All right, go right ahead, Mr. Bowden.
Okay. Mr. Bishop, you've read the proof of death and other facts which you are going to be signing.
Yes,
You read it? Okay. Are the statements contained in the proof of death true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes,
Okay. And as you've already said, the will that's been presented to the court is the will of Mary Bishop's last will and testament.
yes.
And to your knowledge, she never revoked that will, did she?
No.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Bishop, did you graduate from Port Neches Grove?
Thomas Jefferson, the good
Oh,
school.
what year? When?
Yeah.
71.
Yeah, I think that's where my farm, I was 6 years after you, but I think my former sister-in-law, Debbie Story, I think she graduated in 71, maybe 72.
71.
Okay.
Small world.
So it is. Port Arthur was a great place to grow up.
Yes, it was.
I loved
It
it.
was. I
Well,
can't say the same now.
Well, I live in Port
Technically-
Neches now.
Okay,
well, technically Glenn lived in Groves.
yeah.
Yeah, I saw that First Avenue on Groves, but there was a large part of what I think was considered Groves, which I guess is back there off of 25th Street
Mhm.
before you get to Main.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that,
I was like probably maybe a quarter of a mile from TJ, and our house was across from the baseball stadium.
oh yeah, I know exactly where you are.
Yep.
Yeah, I grew up in Pear Ridge, so I had
Ah,
probably a whole mile to drive through Griffin Park to get to TJ.
okay.
But, all right, well, so you're gonna make arrangements to sign your proof of death and other facts before a notary public. Also, you'll sign your oath. And then you'll get those to Mr. Bowden. He'll e-file those with the county clerk. When he does that, I'll sign the order admitting the will to probate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters that will give you authority to act on behalf of the estate. Make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Bowden in getting him a listing of the assets of your mother's estate, because he has 90 days under the estate code to file an inventory with the court. But other than that, I hope everything goes well. And if there's anything you gentlemen need, y'all feel free to call me, okay?
We certainly appreciate that. Thank you
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Judge.
Y'all have a great week.
You too.
I hope
Take
to
care.
be up in your area, I think the 16th. I have to go to Austin for a wedding on the 16th, and then the 17th, I'm going to our place out in Llano. So I'll be
Okay.
driving through your part of the country.
That sounds good. That sounds, hope you'll be a little cooler.
I do too.
Yeah.
Everybody in Texas now has some kind of sinus problem because the dew point and the temperature are so close together, and everybody's getting and everything's wet.
Everything's wet. It feels more like the Gulf Coast here right now than it
Yeah.
does hill country. So,
Well, y'all have a great week, and y'all take care.
you too, Judge. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you, Judge.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
The one where Mr. Celeste's, two clients were driving in from Houston, but they got stuck in traffic. And, so I believe it's Miss Leslie and Tom.
Okay, these were the disinterested witnesses,
Yes.
but he had his applicant here.
Yes, and they've already,
Who's that? Line him on this one? Mr. Lambert.
mhm.
Steve Vincent.
That was, Brian Kellogg. He was talking to the lady here. Loudly.
Yes,
Mhm.
the kind of hippie looking guy.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning, doing great.
Good deal. Looks like both of our witnesses are here, Your Honor. Leslie and Tom, can y'all turn on y'all's video?
Let me look.
My video's not on. Okay, now my video's on.
Should be in the bottom left-hand corner of your device. There should be a camera icon.
Let me look. I don't see it. Oh, I see it now.
And then
Okay,
Tom, you'll have to turn on your video and audio.
Did that help? No. There I
I
am.
can see you now, Leslie.
Okay.
Okay, Tom, it looks like you unmuted yourself, and you'll need to turn on the video now.
We're working on it.
Good deal.
I don't see where.
Should look like a little camera. It should be right next to the mute button.
Yeah.
It'll say start video, I think. There you go. Perfect. All right, guys. Looks like we're all here, Your Honor. I think we're ready to go.
all right, if I can get both of you to raise your right hands, please. Do you and each of you solemnly swear or affirm that your testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay.
All right. Tom, I'll start with you. We're here today to finish up the heirship proceeding for Stephen Mark Vincent. You're a witness in this case. I sent you your statement of facts prior to today's hearing. Did you read that statement of facts?
Yes,
And is everything stated therein true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes,
Okay, and Leslie, I'll ask you the same question. Did you read your statement of facts, and is everything therein stated therein true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what I'm going to ask you both to do is print out your statement of facts. You'll have to go take it before a notary and sign it, and then I'll need you to email it back to me so I can file it with the court, okay?
Okay. No problem.
All right. Your Honor, that's all I got.
All right, well, I certainly thank both of you for taking time out of your schedules to show up today to assist in getting this resolved. I hope everything goes well. And Mr. Smith, if you need anything else, just feel free to give me a call.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, y'all have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.
Leslie.
All right.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Leslie. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.